my situation and what it is now. They are targeting the youth them, Prime Minister Holness. There are several members who are targeting young people against a background of partisan politics. It is alleged that there are members who are even on the payroll of some other people, and because they want to make your government look bad, make your leadership look bad, that there are targets. So I'm saying this to you publicly and personally, so that whenever the opportunity arises, Prime Minister, and you have communication with the heads of the JCF, that you can start to address these issues. I don't know if those issues are felt elsewhere, because I go elsewhere and I have no problem with police. As a matter of fact, I'll be in the Trafalgar Division PM, and there are 3 sets of members of the JCF, and they're on patrol, and it's 1 set alone, and them target us. Not good at all, and doesn't spell good for the government.